Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm your host, and today we're diving headfirst into the future of search. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get interesting. We all know Google. It's been the reigning champion of search for decades. But what happens when a new contender enters the ring? That contender, my friends, is SearchGPT, OpenAI's latest brainchild, and it's got everyone talking. So, what's all the hype about? Let's break it down. Imagine a colossal library, but instead of books, it's filled with every single piece of information ever published online. That's essentially what Google has built over the years, an unrivaled treasure trove of data. This gives them a massive edge when it comes to understanding user behavior, personalizing results, and serving up relevant ads. But here's the catch. SearchGPT comes from OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT, a company known for its groundbreaking work in AI. They might not have the same data volume as Google, but they're packing some serious AI muscle. So, how does SearchGPT actually work? It all boils down to the magic of natural language processing, or NLP. Think of it like this. You type a question into the search bar, but instead of spitting out a list of links, SearchGPT actually understands what you're asking. It's like having a conversation with a really smart librarian who's read everything in existence. No more sifting through pages of irrelevant results. SearchGPT cuts straight to the chase. Here's where SearchGPT gets really interesting. Not only does it provide direct answers to your questions, but it also backs them up with clear citations from reliable sources. That means you can actually verify the information and dive deeper into any topic that piques your interest. Transparency and trustworthiness. Music to my ears. Let's be real, most of us rely on Google for pretty much everything. Need a recipe? Google it. Looking for the best price on a new phone? Google it. Google's become so ingrained in our lives that it's practically a verb. So, can SearchGPT really compete with that level of integration and convenience? It's a tall order, but not impossible. Here's the thing. Google's a bit of a walled garden. They like to keep their cards close to their chest. OpenAI, on the other hand, has been all about collaboration and open sourcing their work. This could be a game changer, allowing developers to build upon SearchGPT's capabilities and create a more diverse, interconnected search experience. Imagine a world where you could tailor your search engine to your specific needs and interests. That's the power of an open ecosystem. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT for a second. If you haven't already heard of it, ChatGPT is this mind-blowing AI chatbot that can write stories, poems, code, you name it. It's been making headlines for its ability to mimic human creativity. But here's the kicker. SearchGPT is designed to integrate directly into ChatGPT. Imagine being able to ask ChatGPT a question and have it pull in real-time information from the web using SearchGPT's capabilities. That's next-level research right there. So, what does this all mean for the future of search? It's clear that we're on the cusp of a major shift. The days of typing keywords into a search bar are numbered. Voice search, augmented reality, personalized results. These are just a few of the exciting possibilities that lie ahead. The future of search is about understanding intent, providing contextually relevant information, and making the entire experience more intuitive and conversational. It's about empowering users and fostering a deeper connection with the information they seek. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but does SearchGPT have any real-world impact yet? Well, thanks to some brilliant folks over at BrightEdge, a leading SEO and content performance marketing platform, we've got some data to back up all this hype. They conducted a fascinating study comparing SearchGPT to Google's AI overviews and another AI search engine called Perplexity. And the results are incredibly revealing. BrightEdge research found that SearchGPT excels at providing comprehensive answers from a diverse range of authoritative sources, often incorporating additional relevant information and practical examples. It's also incredibly good at understanding user intent and providing contextually relevant results. However, they did find that SearchGPT can sometimes lag behind in surfacing current trends compared to Google's AI overviews. Think of it this way. If you need a quick overview of a trending topic, Google's AI overview is your go-to. But if you're diving deep into a research project and need accurate, trustworthy information from reputable sources, SearchGPT is your best bet. It's all about choosing the right tool for the job. Let's face it, one of the biggest challenges with Google search is the constant bombardment of ads. They can be intrusive, distracting, and sometimes downright creepy. I mean, how many times have you searched for something online only to be followed around the internet by ads for that exact product? It's enough to make you want to swear off the internet altogether. Thankfully, there's a glimmer of hope on the horizon. SearchGPT's focus on delivering unbiased, ad-free results could be a breath of fresh air. Imagine a world where your search experience prioritizes your need for information over a company's bottom line. It's a future I can definitely get behind, and one that I think a lot of users are craving. And let's be real, after the whole Cambridge Analytica fiasco and countless data breaches, it's about time we start demanding better privacy and control over our personal information. So, what's the verdict? Is SearchGPT the Google killer everyone's making it out to be? It's still early days, but the potential for disruption is undeniable. One thing's for sure, the search landscape is evolving faster than ever, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible with AI. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on SearchGPT? Do you think it has what it takes to dethrone Google? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm constantly working to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of AI, and I appreciate your support.